Good afternoon. What's up, boys? I know it's been a minute, been gone, but today I decided to do a quick little live stream. Quick little live stream. All right, audio works. That's good. That's a good start. I'll leave you guys right here so I can read the chat. We're in a trade. We've gone short. I think the market wants to go lower to that low right there and that low right there. Just gotta wait on price. Just gotta study it a little bit more. I'm not really worried about this strong move up higher because the more it goes higher, the more buyers, and the more buyers, the more sell stops are left below the market. And sell stops are what I need to get out the market, so that's a good sign for me. Um, just gotta keep watching price. Study, study, study. Got my other charts right here, so look at that right now. Tag that. Resistance, liquidity right below there, above there, right above there, right above there. I'm just looking for liquidity where it is right now. It's up there, it's down there, there. Liquidity's up there, down here. It's open, that's open, that's open, that's open. Okay, we're moving up aggressively now. Still feel secure where my stop loss is, so I'm not really gonna worry about it. Okay, just gotta wait on it. Actually, I got a lot to do. I'm gonna write down what's going on for the month of May. I want to write down the news. That's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, we've opened a 10-minute candlestick. Not bad. I want to see stronger movement to start going lower. And right now I'm going to Forex Factory. I'm just gonna look at the economical calendar and see what events are coming up next. A lot of news. A lot of news. Good move. That's a good sign. Just dropped. The quickness itself isn't really good because I don't know, when I see strong moves like that, I didn't fear that it would just quickly go back higher and then start going lower. I prefer a steady move lower, like this. Goes higher, goes lower, goes higher, goes lower, goes higher, goes lower, goes higher, goes lower. I want steady movement in the market. Bad at all, huh? Yeah, CPI today on May 12th. Then we have CPI, CPI, then PPI on Wednesday, PPI on Wednesday, alright, not bad. And then Friday, next Friday, no news. Tuesday, Tuesday, is gonna be 10, 10, Thursday, now that's not something I want to see. This is where you kind of gotta make your big boy choices, and I'm offside, offside. There we go. Here we go. If it stops me out, it stops me out. But I prefer not to see this. There's failure swings right here. And this should really start just pushing higher. Just like that. Alright, we're going to target that high. We're going to sell two. We're going to hold on the whole day. news. Wednesday, 20th, we have news. We have news on the 19th. We got news on the 21st, 22nd. News on the 26th, on the 28th, and on the 10th. That's about it. The calendar has been finished. These are the economical events happening for the month of May. And now I'll hang this up right. Of these relative equal highs, I'm not sure if we really want to go to this low. Maybe I'll get stopped out, but I don't know if we'll go to this low. fix my pocket. I'm trying to qualify whether this will continue going higher or just drop lower. It's kind of hard to tell right now, but I think it went low enough. It should go higher. It's gonna wait. Okay, let's wait for it. I'm thinking who's getting stopped out? Who just got stopped out? Everybody who was going in short here got stopped out, stopped out, stopped out, stopped out, stopped out. Who's going long? People are going long. They're chasing it. There's stops right below here. Should they win? That's the big question. Should the people going long right now win? Yeah, I say they should win. They should be given an opportunity to profit. Because think about it, if they take out everybody, right, the buyers and the sellers, why would people want to get in the market? So one side has to win. Like right here, those who went short, they won. They made money. Those who are going long should make money now. I don't believe the market is here to take people's money. I think it's here to make people money. Right? That should be rocket fuel. And that should make the market just go extremely higher and just take that high out. Wait for it. So I'm thinking people have put their stop loss below here, right here, right here, and right here. So everybody that's gone long, their stop loss is right there and right here. I would not want to see those lows get taken out. Don't want to see that get taken out. It just got taken out. I don't want to see this get taken out. And if it does, then it just gives me more insight. It's 350, 310 right now. 310. It's 310. 310. 310. I say it should just rip. Like this is still rocket fuel. Like it should just go through it, just like explode higher the second it takes this out. Or actually, it wants to take this out. It's going to take this out. Either this one or that one make it explode higher. Because you see how much liquidity is being left right below this high? This high is now important, so it's engineering more liquidity to go to it. saying. I have like sensitive eyes, and so like staring at the screen for a while then starts hurting my retinas. My clock is 2 seconds ahead. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. It has to be I have to be 2 seconds ahead of the market. All right, there's stop losses here, and a shit ton of stop losses right here. Now, do we want them to win? That's a big factor right now. Do we want the guys who went long and put their stop loss below here? Do we want them to win? And if we want them to win, we would want sellers to lose. So do we want sellers to lose for the guys who've gone long to win? I think the buyers should still win. And the guys who went short and put their sell stops right below here, I mean, right above here, I think they're going to be taken out. Because look, down here, we already tagged the key level. Since we already tagged the key level right below here, we should start going back higher. So I can see like the people going short, right? They're adding to a short. They're like, okay, the market's at 50% of the range. I should just start going short. Look, there's failure swings right here. Look, there's failure swings right here. It's 50%. I should start going short. And the market doesn't deliver and it just keeps going higher and it takes their stop. Or right now, imagine that you've gone short right here. You went short right here and your stop is like above here. The market is now 50% of the range. What would you do? Realistically, what are you going to do? You're going to lower your stop. You're going to put it either at break even or you're going to put it right above here. And or if you're an emotional trader, right? You're like a new trader. You're gonna get in again. You're going short, thinking that it's gonna make up for this retracement. You're going to keep going short, and you're going to think it's going to keep going lower. Then it's going to reverse on you, and it's going to keep going higher, and it's going to take you either at break even or worse. So I'm waiting on this. I'm waiting on the market. I have the inclination that the market will start going higher. Just gotta wait a little longer. I could see short sellers, they're getting excited. They're thinking, okay, this wants to keep going lower. It's going lower. They're adding, they're adding, they're adding. The guys that went long here, they're getting killed. The guy that went long here at this very top, the guy that went long here, he got stopped out, stopped out, stopped out. But the guys who went long here, they're protected still. You gotta understand, the middle of the range, it's killing the guys who are chasing the price. So right now it's 321. I say by 330, the market should continue and take these guys who went short here or lowered their stop. Or if the market continues going lower, I see that the short sellers will lower the stops. They will put their stop loss right above here, and then the market will take them out in profit, obviously. The thing is, a lot of ICT traders think that the market makers have to have to take everybody out. They have to annihilate both the buyer and the seller, and that's not true. Because if that were true, then who would want to get in the market? They have to pay out. Even if they make a little bit of money, they have to pay out. There has to be a winner, there has to be a loser. We're being held inside this candlestick. There's a fair value gap right here. Perfect. Stops are being lowered. Stops are being lowered. Or stops are being lowered. Guys who missed this move, right? The guys who saw this go lower and they've missed the move, they're getting in short now. They're getting in short. They're chasing price now. They trust that's going to go lower, so their stop is going right here. And before you know it, it takes them out. It's going to take out the guys who chased this price move, and it's going to take out the guys who lowered their stop. The only difference is the guys who chased this move are losing, and the guys who lowered their stop are getting out in profit. And all that does is it just encourages them to get back in. And then the guys that have gone long right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, they're stopped out. And the guys who went long here, 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 where I am, right? Where I went long, we're protected still, and we're about to be on the winning side. I am in the winning side. I am definitely on the winning side. Anybody who's gone long right here, right here, right here, right here, right below the fair value gap. Everybody who went long below this fair value gap is on the winning side. Or I should say, whoever has their stop loss below the fair value gap is on the winning side. Just a matter of waiting, sitting through this. The guys who chased this move lowered their stop, got in, lowered their stop to those highs. They got stopped out. The guys chasing the move, as long as their stop is below here, they're winning. That's fine. That's good volatility. You have good volatility means that they're going to start moving this market. It's going to get out of this in the middle of the range. Now we want to see some speed to the upside. I see a lot of like short sellers. They're getting in, they're getting in, they're getting in. We want to chase this quick move. They think it's going to keep on going lower. There's liquidity right above here. There's a liquidity right below here. We are in the middle of the range. Look at how we respect that fair value gap. Now there's this gap right here. Good amount of speed. I want to see more speed to the upside. It is 3:27 in the next 3 minutes. I want to see price just want to go higher. I'll wait. So I'll wait for it. Be patient. It's all about patience. You just gotta be very patient. You can't force the market to do what you want it to do. Claim. Those guys are out. Like I mentioned, the guys who went short here, they lowered their stop. Their stop is right here. The guys who wanted to be a part of this move, they went short the second this went lower with speed. You know, that quick move lower that really got people thinking, okay, it's gonna go lower for sure this time. I'm gonna get in. I already missed this move, but I'm not gonna miss this one. So they're using FOMO. Um, Guys who've gone long and put their stop right above this low, they've been stopped out. Uh, Guys who are chasing this move higher, they're being stopped out. But in the next few minutes, it should start going higher. And the guys who, like myself, have gone long and have their stops below these lows, we are on the winning side and we're meant to get paid out. The market wants to pay us out. It has to pay us out. All right, there's multiple market structure shifts now in place. Market structure shift, market structure shift right here. You know, do you ever think of like the key levels that are in the market? So this line, the 0.75 level, that's a level, right? And then there's this level right here. You ever think of how like the market could take as much time as it needs to before it even tags, key level? Like it could take 3 days, even longer, five, a whole month for the market to just trade back and forth, just to tag this key level, right? For example. And then there's days where there could be like key levels that are like 1,000 handles away and it will like go to it in the matter of minutes, even like seconds sometimes if it's like FOMC. It's almost like the depth of market and the depth of market is subjective to the time. Because right now we're just trading back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. That's my objective, right? I have that. That's my target. And yet like a whole hour has gone by and nothing has happened. But on the other hand, the market could go to my key level in the matter of seconds. I think they do it just to, you know, prevent people from getting in. So the fact that we're just consolidating back and forth, it kind of gives me the idea that we will launch to my sell limit order as quickly as possible since we are consolidating. Nobody wants to get in now. Nobody wants to get in. Yeah, there's stop losses up here, but either they got out, right? Because now they're scared, right? You see how close it looks to that? The guys who went short and they put their stop loss below here, they're probably scared now. They think, okay, I should get out before it stops me out. So it's not even about volume or liquidity anymore. It's just about patience. It's about mental capital. And guys going long, they're too scared to go long because of those quick moves lower. So now that everybody's sitting out, will they move the market? Why? Because if people are sitting out, that's not good for business. They need people in the market. So they're going to do one of two things. They will move the market really quickly to one direction, or they're going to hold it like this until the next the next session, which would be Asian session, because we are in New York PM session. putting me to sleep. Have you guys ever been like in a trade and you take a nap and you actually like fall asleep and when you wake up like you realize that you took an L. You wake up and it stopped you out. That's a horrible feeling. Had that happen to me once. I was really sick. I went to sleep. I was in a trade. I don't know if I was going long or short, but I was in a trade and I just felt really sick. And so I went back to bed. I'm like, well, I'm guaranteed to win. I know for a fact I'm gonna win. So I go to bed and it never got me out. My take profit was too high. Just gotta wait. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Wait for it. Again, I don't think nobody's getting in the market. Everybody's too scared. But it's moving, going higher. That's uh that's something to take into consideration. It's going higher, but it's doing really lethargically, and that's not good. I don't think that's good. I prefer it to do it quickly. Because if it doesn't do it quickly, going higher, it's going to definitely go lower quickly. Or maybe that's just my PTSD I've had where I'm in a slow moving market and out of nowhere, just a boom, quick move comes out. I think it's every trader's PTSD at the moment. I feel like, I don't know, I've been trading for 4 years and like never have I ever been scared of like a sudden quick move. I've been scared of Judah swings, right? Getting Judah swing, but I've never been scared of like the quick moves that have been happening in the market. They're just too random sometimes, and it's hard for me to predict them. I can't predict this. It's not predictable like that, like that. Wait, is it even the right time? Yep, it's 3:39, 3:40 soon. 3:40 now. Nope. Lower now. Yep. I don't. I don't like when the market is lethargically going into the direction I want it to go. This is never a good sign. I prefer it to lethargically go the opposite direction I want it to go. Then I know what's next is a quick move. It's a lot of sitting, a lot of babysitting. I like the trades where you get in, and you don't have to worry whether you're gonna get profit, profit or not. It's one-sided moves. Or either way, the guys who lowered their stop, they got stopped out. The guys who went short in this move, they're stopped out. Still gonna wait. Not too worried about it going lower. I'm more concerned on whether I have enough capital for it to go lower. But if I could endure these retracements, I know it'll go back up here. They need to pay me. They will pay me. They need to pay me. Just a matter of like when are they gonna pay me? Is it gonna be right now or is it gonna be next hour? Are they gonna pay me in the next 10 minutes? Gotta wait. Alright, it's 3:45. This is like the time where it's make or break, whether I'm right or wrong. This will be the hour. is 346. What I notice is that we keep referring back to this fair value app. Just keep going back to it. We have relative equal lows now below, right next to it. Feel confident because we lethargically went lower. So what's next is a strong move higher. My tablet is about to die. It's at 6%. I hope we could, I hope the market hurries up and gets there before my tablet dies because I need to look at these time frames. I'm looking at the 30-second, 15-second, 5-second chart on my tablet. I don't know if you can see it. Right, 2 minutes. We should have the 350 macro. Maybe it could relieve me of this tension. Okay. Who is scared right now? What trader is scared? Who's scared right now? I would say it's anybody that went short. That's anybody who's gone short right now is probably scared. Wow, that's surprising. 350 is 350. That was quick. That was sick. My tablet's at 5%. Um, let's see what happens. I don't even know. I don't know. At this point, I'm lost. I still say it should go higher. Yeah, I say it should go higher. Should still go higher. Just gonna wait. Okay. Took those lows out. All right, 351. Still in the macro. No, I'm not concerned. I still believe it wants to go higher. We're going lower to go higher. one PD array to the next PD array. Three, 352, 352. I'm still holding on to the fact that it will go higher. I don't really care what it looks like right now. I'm going to go based off my logic, and if I'm wrong, then I'll just go back and fix what is fix what I'm missing. I don't know. Maybe I am missing something, but I think this should continue going higher. I think the people who've gone long should will be rewarded. I think they Yeah, I think they'll be rewarded. I'm waiting. Just gotta wait. My my hope are that at 4 Eastern time, it should just start taking these highs out. We'll just do it really quickly. And just like that, I want to see more movement higher. I will say I did get a good entry. I got a really good entry just by looking at how prices going back and forth with where I entered. I'd say I got a really good hand. I just need some speed. Need a lot of speed right now in the market. And if it doesn't do it now, it's going to most likely do it Asian session. And I'm not holding till Asian session. Need some speed. It is 3:56. I'm waiting for those 4 minutes. We got 4 minutes for this to start really moving higher. 4 minutes. Comment down below. What do you think? Will it do it? Will it not do it? 4 minutes. 4 minutes for this to go to my target. We got 4 minutes. It has 3 minutes now. 3 whole minutes. All right, we got 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes, guys. This thing to just really go higher. Just go completely, absolutely higher. We got 2 minutes. 1 minute. 1 whole minute to explode and take me out. One whole minute. Not even 30 seconds. We only have 20 seconds, 19 seconds, 18 seconds, 17 seconds. And then we have the next hour. But I don't know if he'll do it the next hour. I hope it does it now, in the next 5 seconds. Ah, dope. That's dope. But not what I want. All right, I give it the next 5 minutes. We got the next 5 minutes. Trying my best to really read price. I don't know why I can't see it going lower. Like I get it, right? It looks like it's going lower, but I just don't believe it. I got 4 minutes to show some strength. Actually, it doesn't even have 4 minutes. It has to like 4:30. It has till 4:30. I still think it wants to go higher, but I will say these equal lows right here might be screwed. I had to. I had to. These markets are vampires. If you allow them, they'll drain your life. So we didn't get my target taken. As you can see, we traded back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Um, I will say that I don't think there's anything wrong with my system. I just think that I'm under leverage. I don't have enough capital in the funded challenge account. And two, I don't have the time to be sitting for a move like, for that move. I want to see this get taken out. I don't have time to see it if the market's just going to consolidate back and forth. um, Most likely, I don't know. I'll have to wait till what 6? I'll have to wait till 6 today to find out if the market really wanted to go to this key level or if I was completely offside and it was always going to go down there. Yeah, but no, I'd rather be out the market than to wait through all of this. Like it's draining. It's very draining. Um, yeah, it's very draining. I, I'm a I'm gonna take the L, but it's not really an L because we did the right thing just to wait, wait for it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next live stream.